Hi everyone, it is Krista from Krista's Quilting Services. I am working on piecing a quilt top here today, and I thought I would show you just a quick tip on something that you can do to help you piece efficiently and fairly quickly. The method that I'm using with this top is called chain piecing. And chain piecing is really just, you take a couple of pieces of your fabric when you're making multiples of the same block, and you just keep putting them together and sewing them through your machine. And then I do some kind of chain batch work. So when I'm done, then I press everything, and then after that I trim everything. And then I go back to adding in the next piece. And in this case, because I'm working on a log cabin, there's a lot of circular trips between piecing to pressing to squaring up and back to piecing again. So I'm going to show you a quick close-up of what chain piecing actually looks like. So I have my stack of log cabins right here, and I have my stack of next logs to go on. When I'm ready, when I've finished one through my machine here, I pick up my next one and I make sure that I get everything lined up. I find that if I line up my log cabin piece from the bottom and kind of give it a smooth up to the top and down, it stays pretty good where it is, and I don't have overlapping or stretching bits. And then I just slide it over to my needle and I get ready to sew. And that is one more log cabin that has been chain pieced. And if I move this whole pile, you can kind of see where that name comes from, because all of these are connected together by a little bit of thread as I finish one block and then do a couple of stitches without any fabric and then begin the next block. I hope you'll find this quick tip useful, and it's a pretty easy one to just give it a try and see if you like it. My one word of caution though, when you are chain piecing, make sure that your blocks that you're working on and the piece that you're adding are laid out in the correct way, and as you're preparing to put them underneath your needle, make sure you're double checking that. Otherwise, you could end up with a lot of seam ripping to do. So every efficiency can have its drawback. However, as long as it's done well, the efficiency is far greater than the drawback. Happy quilting!